We're here, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Got the cheese spring rolls. Oh my goodness.
Delicious. Delicious.
Get the heck out.
Wow.
You have got to be kidding me.
I like that sweet and sour sauce.
That's one of the best things.
Because crispy rolls are not usually
No,
with cheese. It's like a
never.
wonton.
This is like a wonton. Oh my gosh. Over here, Amsterdam, Netherlands. The food is superb. Oh my gosh.
Wet dog. Wet dog, fed dog.
Wow.
Yeah, my mother got this
You're more just sweet.
Here in Amsterdam, these are the bitter ballins. Oh my gosh. Netherlands. First time trying these.
Oh my god.
This kebab is everything.
Oh my gosh. It's good. Wow.
Another 5-star.
This is a 10-star.
Whoa.
Do you love this? Am I just loving this? I'm speechless.
It's lucky turning me on. I'm like,
Okay, I'm gonna try the loaded fries real quick. Boom.
yeah.
Wow.
Well, these are made with vegan love, so.
Right.
That's
Oh, hold it
different.
by.
They're not my favorite thing, though.
No?
No.
I
They're
love
good.
them.
Oh.
So it's not called Kebabi, it's called ping pong perk.
For whatever reason, they do love their little. What would you call it? A stew hush puppy, I would say. Like a hush puppy with like stewiness in the middle.
The loaded fries I'm gonna give a 3.5. 3.5 out of 5.
Okay.
The loaded fries.
The loaded fries.
Fries, they're fire.
3.5 out of 5. And right here we have the burger. No, not the burger. What is this?
Kebabi.
The kebab. At Kebabi.
Kebabi.
Whoop. How do we even take a bite into this thing? Do you grip it like a
Wow, this is
burger?
phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Literally phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
I need more of the sriracha. The sriracha is really hitting. I love when I find a good palate to share, to eat sriracha with. It's not common.
Sorry, I'm reaching over here.
Do it. Eat those balls.
See without the bread. See what that situation's
You
like.
don't like it, Jordan?
Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, boss.
It is a 10 out of 10. It's delicious. It's so chill.
The kebabi I'm gonna give a 3. 3 out of 5.